Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I'm going to quickly showcase the GIRLACTIK The Essential Palette Volume 2. I did receive this in my PR Ipsy for the month of January. Keep in mind this is upside down. And several of you asked to see a quick look and some swatches. So I'm going to go through and do some swatches. I'll do a more neutral leaning look on this eye and we'll play with the pastels on this eye. I am going to speed this up. I know some of you are okay speeding things up and having music to the background. Some people do not like it. I do apologize. Today's my son's birthday party. He is in town for the holidays and for his birthday, and I'm sorry, but he takes precedence over anything else. I know most of you understand that. Y'all know I just like to unplug. So I'm going to do some swatches. I am going to prep my eyes with the Alter Ego eyeshadow base, as I always do. And then with the shimmer formula, I am going to go in with my Gourmande Girls Glitter Glue. I do have an affiliated code with both of these brands. It is Riri10 for 10% off. I purchased both of these. So we're going to dive in. Thank you guys for joining. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And thank you for the feedback and those that wanted to see a look before choice opens. Keep in mind, choice opens on the 1st, from the 1st to the 3rd. And I do have a link to sign up for Ipsy in my description box. I do earn a commission and I can actually win a prize this time around if you do sign up using my link. And if you do so, thank you so much. Alright, that is 2 quick looks using the GIRLACTIK The Essential Palette Volume 2 that I received in my PR Ipsy for the month of January. I will say this, I think that if you are a beginner specifically, I think this is a palette that would be beautiful for a lot of people. I like a little bit more punch, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. And for these to be more pastelized shades, they really pack a punch. So those I was really impressed by. There's a beautiful soft diffusion. I was able to get that nice kind of soft blown out effect that I like to get on this side over here. The shimmer shades are definitely more of a kind of standard, if you will, shimmer shade. And I only say that because that's exactly what it is. I'm not trying to crap on it or anything like that. It is a kind of more standard traditional shimmer type formula. Very beginner friendly, very easy to use, layered and built and blended out really well. I like it. I think it's really beautiful. For me personally, I like a little bit more in terms of the shimmers, but y'all already know that. I say that all the time. Yeah, I feel like if you like the color story, and you know, you kind of are aiming for getting something super neutral or very soft and pretty and pastelized, I think that it will be perfect for literally year round. And again, very beginner friendly. I actually really love both looks, so that's saying something. So yeah, hopefully that is helpful to you guys in some way. Don't forget that choice opens on the 1st, from the 1st to the 3rd. I will have my link to sign up down below. Again, I do earn a small commission and I can actually be entered to win a prize too. So thank you in advance if you do choose to sign up using my link. I love you all so much, which I do prefer. And that is it. I love you all so much. Have an amazing day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet. You can hype the video. You can turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.